Our silver medalist often takes on the shape of a hydrodynamic torpedo, retracting its dorsal fin, which reduces drag in the water by 18%. To top it off, sailfish scales create thousands of minuscule vortices, which form a pocket of almost frictionless liquid. Even at 11.5 feet long, this predator has the same drag factor as much smaller fish. And it's those smaller fish that the sailfish snack on. With their dorsal fins fully extended, the sailfish corral the much smaller prey into a tight bait ball. Then, with a flick of the tail, they charge through the bait ball with their elongated snouts, stunning the victims into submission, all thanks to their epic speed.